On October 26th at the Edgewood Bowling Alley, Crowder Campus Life held a haunted bowling night as the final part of the iSober itinerary. The event lasted from 7 to 10 p.m. Mark Abuchon, the director of Campus Life, discussed the event and its general purpose for Crowder students.
Okay, tonight is the final event of our iSober Drug and Alcohol Prevention Month series of events. So all the events that we have this month are events that are drug and alcohol free. Obviously Crowder's a dry campus, but even when we have events off campus, these are drug and alcohol free events to encourage our students to understand that obviously you can have a good time like we're having tonight without alcohol or drugs. And tonight we're having a free bowling night for all of our students and a costume contest. And we've had 5 other events during the semester, during this month, which includes a cookout for the soccer team and other events. So this is our final event for the year.
Students had the chance to bowl, socialize, and show off their costumes. Samantha Miranda, a Crowder resident assistant, explained why she decided to attend the event.
Well, I came because I became an RA. It forced me out of my introvert bubble, and so I started liking to come out to Crowder, especially since Lori makes everything like, oh, come on, join us, and there's always posters. I'm like, it's a sign, I should go.
The costume contest had 2 winners, both of which received Bluetooth earbuds as a prize. Overall, the Haunted Bowling Night was an opportunity for students to celebrate Halloween among fellow Crowder students. This has been Dora Gilreath with the Crowder Century News.